This morning, special counsel Jack Smith has filed a motion to dismiss criminal charges against President-elect Donald Trump in 2 separate cases.
And Dave, this less than 2 months before he is set to return to the White House. Let's go to NBC's Alice Barr. She has the latest from Washington. Good morning, Alice.
Good morning, Danita and Dave. President-elect Trump is moving ahead with plans for his next term, overnight announcing a day-one priority on trade. And he does so now without this federal legal cloud hanging over him. This morning, a dramatic ending to an unprecedented legal saga as special counsel Jack Smith moved to drop all federal charges against President-elect Trump. A judge in Washington, D.C. quickly signed off on dismissing the election interference case that accused Mr. Trump of trying to illegally overturn the 2020 election in the lead-up to the January 6 Capitol attack. Smith citing the president-elect's upcoming inauguration and the long-standing Justice Department policy against prosecuting a sitting president, despite what he called the, quote, gravity of the crimes charged, the strength of the government's proof, and the merits of the prosecution, having previously accused Mr. Trump of fueling the Capitol riot.
It was fueled by lies. Lies by the defendant.
Smith also filed to drop the classified documents case involving boxes of sensitive material brought to Mar-a-Lago after the first Trump term and allegations he obstructed the government's efforts to get them back. Smith now expected to resign soon before the president-elect, who denies all wrongdoing, can fire him.
I would fire him within 2 seconds.
A Trump spokesman called the dismissals a major victory for the rule of law. It comes as the president-elect has now picked his entire cabinet and overnight announced a day-one priority to sign an executive order charging Mexico and Canada a 25% tariff on all products coming into the U.S., plus an additional 10% tariff on all imported goods from China, framing it as a fight against drugs and migrants entering the U.S. Mexico and Canada are this country's top 2 trading partners, and the proposed tariffs targeting them could be met with some challenges. They could face legal challenges because there was this trade agreement that was negotiated during the first Trump administration that the president-elect signed off on. It went into effect in 2020, and those tariffs would go against it. Danita?
Alice Barr reporting live for us this morning from Washington, D.C. Thank you.